Hello, welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how and when to report with the verb tell. Tell is an alternative reporting verb to say. It's easy to use and practical, but you have to remember that tell goes with an object pronoun. Tell who, okay? So, I'm gonna share what my friend Alex told me on the phone, right? I have written down the original sentences. Now, I will report these to you using the verb tell. Well, don't go. This is what he told me, right? So he told me, what? He told me not to go. Not to go. The original sentence here is an imperative sentence, right? And we report imperatives using tell. He told me not to go. Because this is negative, don't, I had to say not to go. Next one, please wait. He told me, what? He told me to wait. He told me to wait. So this was an example for an imperative form again. Next, I'm busy today. So he told me, what? He told me that he was busy that day. He was busy that day. Okay. Next one, I can meet you tomorrow. That's good. He told me that we are reporting, so this changes form. He could meet me when? Tomorrow. We report tomorrow as the next day. The next day. And the last one, everybody. I'll call you to tell the time and place. So, he told me that he would call, okay? Will is reported as would. He would call and tell me the time and place. So here, after the verb tell, we always have the pronoun, right? He told me not to go, or he told me to wait. If there is a full sentence, then you need to add that. He told me that he would call. Are you ready to practice? Look at the pictures and report with the verb tell. Picture 1. You're late for 10 minutes. She told me that I was late for 10 minutes. Picture 2. You can give your homework by Friday. She told us that we could give our homework by Friday. Picture 3. I've missed you a lot. He told me that he had missed me a lot. Picture 4. We have lost our way. She told me that they had lost their way. Are you ready for the final practice? I've got 8 sentences here for you. I want you to complete them with me, choosing between the words say and tell. And in each case you're reporting, don't forget. Number 1, she, there's a pronoun, so she told me not to drive fast. She told me not to drive fast. Number 2, she said that I was driving too fast. So it's optional to have that here. You can simply say, she said I was driving too fast. Next one, he said that he would help me with my school project. How nice of him, right? Number 4, Dan said that he was bored with his job. Okay. Number 5, David told me that he was bored with his job. Okay. Number 6, let's see. The doctor said that I should rest for a week. Okay? The doctor told me to rest for a week. And the last one, he, which one? Of course, he told me to call him after work. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned that tell is reported as told. It always needs an object pronoun, a person, then followed by that. For example, he told me that he loved you. We also learned that we can report imperative sentences with tell. For example, call me. He told me to call him. Don't call me. He told me not to call him. Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!